They said action heroes fade with time, that muscle loses its fight, and that aging is the enemy. But he rewrote the rules. At 65, he isn't just keeping up. He's still setting the standard. It's not just about lifting weights or throwing punches. CT has evolved his approach to training, pushing his body beyond the limits that most people think are impossible after a certain age. His diet, mindset, and training strategies have been fine-tuned over decades, proving that health is truly wealth. But here's the real question. How does he still do it? From pushing past injury to embracing smarter, more effective workouts, CT's approach to longevity is built on resilience, discipline, and a relentless pursuit of strength. In this video, you'll learn about the 5 foods CT eats daily for peak performance, 2 supplements he swears by to fuel his workouts, his weekly workout routine that keeps him in top shape, and the 5 fitness rules that have made him an icon, even over 50. 5 foods CT Fletcher eats daily. For CT Fletcher, maintaining a rock-solid physique while boosting overall vitality involves more than just intense workouts. He leans on specific foods that fuel his body without leaving him feeling deprived or exhausted. Here's a closer look at the powerhouse staples that keep him going strong. 1. Egg whites. CT starts his day with egg whites, an essential source of lean protein that plays a crucial role in muscle building and recovery. By consuming egg whites, CT ensures his body gets high-quality protein without the extra fat and cholesterol found in whole eggs. This makes them an ideal choice for anyone focused on maintaining a lean, strong physique. Beyond muscle repair, egg whites are rich in essential amino acids that support metabolism and immune health. Whether scrambled, boiled, or blended into a protein-packed omelet, egg whites help CT sustain his energy levels throughout the day without adding unnecessary fats. 2. Papaya and figs. CT doesn't rely solely on protein. He also incorporates nutrient-dense fruits like papaya and figs into his routine. Papaya is a powerhouse of vitamins and enzymes that support overall health. Rich in vitamin A, it promotes eye health and skin regeneration. Its high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, helping the body fend off illnesses. Papaya also contains papain, a natural enzyme that aids digestion by breaking down proteins and improving gut health. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy digestive system while maximizing nutrient absorption. 3. Lean meats, chicken and fish. When it comes to muscle building and recovery, CT relies on lean meats, particularly chicken and fish, as the foundation of his diet. These protein-rich foods provide essential nutrients to repair and strengthen muscles after intense workouts. Chicken is a classic source of high-quality protein, offering all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth. It's also rich in B vitamins that support metabolism and energy production. Fish, especially salmon, is another staple in CT's diet. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and supports heart and joint health, key for someone maintaining an active, high-intensity lifestyle, even as he gets older. 4. Roasted squash. Roasted squash plays a significant role in CT's diet. This underrated vegetable brings a powerful combination of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that keep his body performing at its best. Squash provides a slow-burning carbohydrate source, sustaining energy levels throughout the day without leading to energy crashes. Rich in fiber, squash aids digestion and promotes gut health. It's also packed with vitamin A, which supports vision and immune function, and potassium, which helps maintain proper muscle function and hydration. Its natural sweetness makes it a satisfying, guilt-free way to curb cravings. 5. Liquid aminos. Finally, CT makes one simple but impactful swap in his diet, replacing traditional soy sauce with liquid aminos. This powerhouse condiment isn't just about adding flavor. It's a low-sodium, gluten-free alternative packed with essential amino acids that aid muscle recovery and overall health. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and liquid aminos provide a concentrated source of these crucial nutrients. 2 supplements. CT Fletcher takes daily 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is a cornerstone of CT's diet. It provides his muscles with the essential nutrients needed for strength, endurance, and rapid recovery. Since it's a fast-digesting protein, it delivers a quick and efficient source of amino acids, making it especially beneficial after intense training sessions. Among those amino acids, branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, particularly leucine, play a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. This helps repair muscle tissue, reduce post-workout soreness, and improve overall performance. 2 BCAAs are an essential part of CT's nutritional strategy, playing a crucial role in muscle recovery, endurance, and overall performance. These amino acids help reduce muscle soreness and prevent muscle breakdown, particularly important for someone who trains as intensely as CT. Unlike other amino acids, BCAAs are directly metabolized in the muscles rather than the liver, providing a fast-acting source of fuel for muscle repair. CT Fletcher's weekly workout routine. CT follows an intense but structured workout routine designed to maximize strength and maintain muscle mass as he gets older. Here's a breakdown of his training schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Morning. Incline. Bench press. 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell flies. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Wide grip chin-ups. 6 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Seated rows. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Leg raises and crunches. 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Afternoon. Military press. 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Side lateral raises. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Barbell curls. 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Decline sit-ups. 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Morning. Squats. 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Leg extensions. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Seated calf raises. 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Afternoon. Dumbbell rear. Delt raises. 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Barbell. Shrugs. 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Cable crunches. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. CT Fletcher's 5 fitness rules for people over 51. 1. Short and smart workouts. CT believes in short, high-impact workouts that maximize results in less time. By focusing on weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and functional movements, CT maintains muscle mass, burns fat, and stays in top shape without exhausting his body. 2. Daily movement. Fitness isn't just about structured workouts for CT. It's about staying active every day. Small movements like taking brisk walks or lifting light weights while watching TV contribute to overall health and keep him energized. 3. Mental fitness. CT credits regular exercise with keeping his mind sharp, reducing stress, and fueling his creativity. He sees fitness as a way to clear his thoughts and stay disciplined. Key to his success. 4. Rest and recovery. As much as he trains hard, CT understands the importance of rest. He listens to his body, prioritizes quality sleep, proper nutrition, and active recovery techniques to avoid overtraining and injury. 5. Consistency over extremes. CT focuses on staying consistent with his fitness routine, knowing that working out a little every day is more effective than burning out with extreme routines. His approach proves that discipline, not extremes, leads to lasting results. Conclusion. CT Fletcher's journey shows that strength doesn't fade with age. It's built over time. By sticking to a routine, staying disciplined, and fueling his body with the right food and supplements, CT remains a symbol of strength and resilience. His blueprint proves that longevity is a mindset, not a matter of luck. If you found this information helpful, we've got something special for you. Our ebook, 8-Minute Fitness at 50+, is now available. It's a comprehensive guide to staying fit and active as you age. Click the link below to grab your copy today and start your journey to long-lasting strength. Thank you for watching.